are here in Vegas for the 2023 International Swimming Pool Convention. When it comes to Watershape University, truly it has been a wonderful experience for me from the beginning.
Watershape University definitely is a place where you'll find a lot of friendly faces and you will find some great education that'll get you on your feet.
Well, I've been taking these classes for almost 10 years, and our company has grown tremendously. It's amazing the attributes and the benefits that you're going to get from the education.
I signed up for WU a year ago, and I would say that it has been a experience like none other.
All I wanted to do was build the right way, create amazing structures, and take care of amazing people. Watershape University is truly what has helped me do that. It is immersive, and most importantly, it's informative.
Anytime you can take advantage of continuing education is great. I love the new classes. It's always nice to see new design classes.
The amount of knowledge and information that I have learned in the past year doing Watershape University with me and my company, my employees, has just been absolutely incredible.
It's so great that the industry is getting so much better every year because of these courses, and WU does an awesome job on getting great qualified instructors to get the point through, and they're always there for you if you need them. I can always pick up the phone and call a number of them and get ahead.
I just thought it was very, very well presented class and really stretches your mind on how to advance your design. I just thought it was a lot of fun.
It's been really good to be able to hook in with Watershape. It's definitely something worth checking out and something worth looking into.
This is really, I'll be attending every year.
Watershape University has changed my life, and I know for sure it'll change yours as well.